All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a social networking site using WordPress. Okay, I'm already assuming that you know how to use WordPress. You just want to know how to create a social networking site using WordPress. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how I have created social networking sites using WordPress. So basically, guys, with WordPress, you install plugins. So uh, you guys should probably already know about the bbPress plugin, which you can use to basically turn your website into a social networking website. It's really that simple, bbPress. But bbPress, it has its pros and its cons. You have to do a lot of tweaking with bbPress to actually get it to look good. So there are themes that actually have bbPress like installed with it, and it works good with bbPress and it looks good. But still, me personally, I want to take it to the next level. If you're looking to create like a Facebook style or a TikTok style website, then me personally, guys, I would go with a plugin called bbPress. And bbPress is a premium plugin, but it looks way better to me personally, like on any theme, and has a lot of settings. Plus, it also comes with a theme that works good with it, and you can turn it into an app. It just works way better and looks better and more professional to me than bbPress does. So I would highly recommend going with bbPress. Now, bbPress is a paid plugin, so you do have to pay yearly for the plugin, and I think you can catch discounts on this like 150 to 200 bucks a year for the plugin to unlock everything, like to have the messaging and the groups, and I mean you can have there's so many add-ons that you can add with bbPress. It's well worth the money if you really want a professional looking social networking community. Okay, I highly recommend bbPress, guys. And I'm going to take you over to one of my websites that I use bbPress on, just to show you kind of how it looks, so you guys can kind of check it out for yourself. All right, so let me go ahead and go over to a website that I have this installed on, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like. The screen's probably or the computer's probably running a little slow because I'm screen recording, but guys, just bear with me. So over here, I have it set up on the community page right here. But as you can see, when you go to the community, you can post anything, pin, schedule posts, your location, mood, your post type. If you want to do video, like you can actually have your users upload videos on their posts like Facebook. There's extra steps that you have to take to actually do that because of way WordPress is, and the file uploading, like you don't want to put it onto your server because then it's going to clog up and it's going to make your site run slow like big files. So you have to actually have a content network deliver the content for you, and that is for another video, which I do have tutorials on how to set that up for your social networking site, so you can upload videos and upload shorts to your website like a TikTok type of website. But that is for premium members to my website MLM page. Okay, so if you become a premium member, you will be able to unlock and watch the tutorial on how to set that up in a different video. Okay, but for this video, I'm basically just showing you what you need to do and what I think is a lot better for setting up a social networking site with WordPress. Okay, so as you can see, there's posts on this website, and like it tells the user, which that's me right there, every time they post, it can end up in the feed. Like you can have friends, you can message, groups, the whole 9 yards, guys. It's just like basically like a Facebook type of setup here, guys. And it shows how long they've been a member, how many followers you have, how many following, how many profile views, etc. Okay, and I have this site set up to where the users earn points, so you can actually integrate that in with like MyCred plugin for WordPress as well. So this plugin bbPress integrates with a lot of different plugins, so it's pretty awesome, guys. And as you can see, it looks good on here. You know, it looks pretty good on the website. It looks a lot better than bbPress does. You have to do a lot of critiquing to get bbPress to look right on a certain theme, and bbPress out the bat looks good on all type of themes, which this isn't even the bbPress gecko theme. But if you get the gecko theme, once you get bbPress, you'll have the gecko theme. So the gecko theme is really nice. I've used it on plenty of sites before. Yeah, so as you can see, and then it comes with a lot of widgets on the side, like your latest members, connections, you know, a lot of different widgets that you can go to and go to other people's profiles and stuff and click on them. There's a lot that you can do with the setup here. So yeah, I highly recommend the bbPress plugin, guys, if you are looking to create a social networking site using WordPress. And you can actually access bbPress directly from the where you install your plugins at on WordPress. So it's right there. Let's see, and I'll take you over. You just go to your plugins, like you're going to add plugins, and just type in bbPress, and you'll be able to find the plugin and install it. All right. Now, back in the day, before bbPress came out, 14 years ago, I think, it was kind of hard to create a social networking site. So you go to your plugins and just type in bbPress, and it's going to pop up here. Where we at? That's weird. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Why is that? Oh, yeah, it is active already. Okay, yeah. So right here, guys, you activate it, and then they're going to give you like the free version, which is going to have their branding all over everything. And, you know, that kind of sucks if you really want to look professional. So you can go ahead and install it and test it out and try it out to see if you like it. Then it's going to give you, you know, the branded version, but then you'll have to end up upgrading to, you know, like $150 to $200 a year. And you have to pay that every year to get the unbranded version of it. Okay, that's the way they do it now. When they first started out, you had to like literally purchase every part, like groups, messages, everything one by one, but they got it all set up pretty nice on one big package now. So you just go ahead and upgrade, and you guys, you know, you'll have a social networking site, and it looks good on anything. Now, if you need help setting up your content delivery, which you don't have to have that set up if you're not expecting your users to want to upload videos. Like, they can already add videos like YouTube links, and they'll pop up in the feeds. But if you want them to be able to upload from like their phone after they just get done recording a video and upload it to the stream, you'll have to use a content delivery system. And I actually have set that up on 3 different sites. So I created a tutorial showing you guys how to do that, showing my MLMpage.com members how to do that. So if you want access to that, become a premium member on this website, MLMpage.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, then go ahead and click the link and go over to the website, and you can join the website and become a premium member. I have a lot of great tips and tutorials on WordPress and how to do certain things like creating a multi-level marketing website. Just a lot of good info and a nice little community over here. So if you're interested in that, also, if you're interested in getting the premium version, unlocked version of bbPress, I actually have access to an unlocked version without the branding for my members on the inside of MLMpage.com. You will also get a link to download the unbranded version, full version of bbPress without having to pay all that money. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, head over to MLMpage.com, become a premium member, and get access to all the good stuff. Peace.